Raindrops fall down. He learned to swim, he never drowned. Red candles, he lights the flame. Built it all, they know his name. From YouTube streams to Discord fame. Red candles, he changed the game. Late nights, green lights, algorithms hum. Fingers on the keys, every heartbeat drum. Haters tried to stop him, said he'd come undone. But his future's, yeah, he's number one. Lines connect, the markets breathe. He taught them all what they could achieve. Red candles, he lights the flame. Built it all, they know his name. From YouTube streams to Discord fame. Red candles, he changed the game. Red candles, he lights the flame. Built it all, they know his name. From YouTube streams to Discord fame. Red candles, he changed the game.
Yo, 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 what's up, everybody? What's up, Punisher? Race to Win, Skull Beats, welcome to the stream. Apex Clappers, Faye, Caboose, number one, baby. You ain't first, you last. Ricky Bobby. And old Chris back over there on the short bus. How you doing, Chris? Join us on the horizontal. So I had to finish that cookie real quick. Oh, Punisher, what's up? What's up, Punisher? Sophie in the house. Sophie made it tonight. Round of applause, everybody, for Sophie. Sophie made it tonight. He stayed up past his bedtime. He doing a big boy thing. I got back to this square cup, man. But like, who designs a square cup? If I go like this, it's just gonna pour all over. You gotta hit the corner. And if you're not paying attention and you grab it real quick and just hit one of the sides, all over you. It's the stupidest cup in the world. I don't know why I keep grabbing it. I think I like to live on the edge, that's why. I just want a little danger with my drink, you know what I mean? A little danger with it. Oh. How's it hanging? What's up, Crisper? What up, Infinity Trades on the short base? Let's go, short bus gang. Big shout out to Infinity Trades. Great streamer. Guys, don't follow him already. You should follow him. David M, what's up? Appreciate you back on the stream. Dorsey, gold dripping. Gold dripping. It's drooping, boys. It's a droopy. All right, we're gonna start out tonight by charting. We're gonna get this done first. Used to do this a lot. Kind of. No, what did I do that for? Kind of stop. Oh no, come on, man. I kind of stopped. I stopped charting because all y'all are used to my charting, but some of you guys are newer to the stream, so we're gonna have to start doing it again. Based off the candle, you guys like how it did what I said the other when, like, what was it, like Monday or Sunday night? Monday night. Let me see. Let me get my EpiPen. Hold on. You guys know I need my EpiPen. We gotta have the EpiPen. Ugh. I don't even think they got a paintbrush on this platform. There we go. I did get Vol books to work last night, by the way. Got home late. Didn't have the stream because I got home late, and I messed around with the Vol books, but I don't like it. I don't like the heat map on the Vol books. I don't think I'm gonna use it. But for you guys that do get hyperticks, it does come with Vol books. All you gotta do is come here, and where it says dashboard, where it says download platform, I'm not gonna click on it, but at the top of the screen, it'll show your license key. You download whichever platform you want, and then whenever it pulls up, you just enter the email that you use, and then you enter the license key, and then a data feed screen will pull up, and then you have to just make sure you select hyperticks, you name it, you do CME, you do under data feed, you do prop firm, and then it starts up, and it's the book maps. I mean, it has all your heat signatures, the bubbles, all that good stuff, but the delta, the CVD, I don't know how to use it. So, but I like how, what's today? Today's Friday, so Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday. So remember on Tuesday I was like, wouldn't it be funny if it does this, right? And then it comes back like that again. It did exactly that. So it literally like played out exactly how we drew it out that day. My market bias is obviously we're back into like the slow grind bullish like we've been. I do see it maybe coming up a little more, but I don't think that we're gonna have like a huge spike, I don't think, just yet. So I think we're just gonna be chopping somewhere in like that range, maybe a little bit lower, like half of this, somewhere in here is my bias. So consolidating, we're back all top consolidation, right? So we'll have to see how we do. So really, I'm gonna be looking for shorts and longs now versus like just leaning more towards longs or more towards shorts. I'm gonna be looking at all. Yoda Trades in the building. What's up, Yoda Trade? Mochi Bear. What's going on, Mochi? Mochi. Rizzy, sup, Rizzy? Rizzy Drip Regis. Oh, Rizzy Drip Reggies. You got them Reggies? Remember the Reggies back in the day? That's all you wanted was a nice sack of some Reggies. Now, like, that's unheard of. You can't even... Reggies is a hot commodity. You couldn't even get Reggies no more. For those that y'all know what I'm talking about. Ryan Mack, what's up with the book maps? Adam, who is in the house? Apple can money bag? Question mark? I don't know, Adam. Who is that? The World Health Organization. What did you do? Y'all cracking me up. Yes, it's a me, Amadio. I said that the other day in Discord, and who was it? Christy. She had DM'd me and she said, "Hey Mario, I just want to say that," and I said, "Christy, my name's not Mario. I was just joking. Obviously, you've never played Mario Smash Bros. It's a me, a Mario." I let her go for a little bit. I'm not gonna lie. I let her go for a little bit calling me Mario, but then after the third Mario, I was like, okay, we got to end it here. I can't keep it going. Although Mario did have the brand fitting colors, red and white, right? So, I mean, it could have... I mean, Luigi would have been off-brand, but anyways. Mario Candle Nation, baby. We got the Nintendo set up in this bad boy. Don't hate on Reggie's now. Kathy was a fox. Okay, let's start out the day trade. So we're gonna mark out, and I'm gonna do it with these just because I I want to know where my extended lines are at. Like, it doesn't really have... What are these? No, I don't like those. I don't like them. We're going to do these. So this, we've already broke the external, so I don't need to worry about that. I don't think we're coming back down here by all means, but I'll mark it out anyways just because it's part of the charting. And it always formats these to be... There we go. And then we have internal, which is right there. Okay, so we got those, and then the last one, the internal right here, which is just the body, right? You mark out the high and low of the wicks and the high and low of the body, unless it's already been ran through. It already been ran through the high of the wick, so I didn't do it there. And honestly, I don't need it there either. I don't know why I put it there. So we're gonna remove that one. Because even though it's not there, it's just because it gapped. Okay, so I want to see at least retrace 50, the 0.38 or the 50, which I've still yet figured out how the fibs work on this. Fib retracement. Okay, let's see if we can get this to work. So we just do the body, right? We just do the body of the candle. Okay, now go into settings, color lines, we want them white, which it does not let you change it for some whatever reason. It is not like it's fib to be messed with. Levels, here we go, we want the 3/8 and still not letting me change it. Okay, we'll make it dotted so we'll know, and then the 5/0. 5050. All right, so save. But it doesn't change it though. Like, I don't understand why it doesn't change it. I'm really trying to figure out this platform because I really like this platform and I want it to work. All right, so let's see. Line color, line style, got it. Various extended, similar with all. Let's change that. No, doesn't do nothing. Sure does something, but you know. What does this do? Okay, here we go. Remove that. Remove that. Remove that. Just leave those two. Boom. Done. There we go. Okay. Perfect. Okay, and that's all I do for the daily chart. Mark on down to the 4 hour. Ryan Max said Yoda. What up, Ryan? Good. Infinity trade. Okay. On the 4 hour, we got a gap right here. See, this isn't right. This isn't right. I'm gonna have to figure out more. This is why I haven't been doing the charting. It didn't save a damn thing. Oh. I'm gonna do this real quick. I think I know why. I it didn't save. Because you have to hit autosave. There we go. Now we go to the 4 hours. I can see it's loading. Okay. Okay, so the fib, everything worked but the fib. I'm gonna get rid of the fib. And I realize if you guys are using it, you have to click like the edge of the line to get it to pop up. All right, so we have the 4-hour gap right here. I'll look for it to be support if it does, and if it doesn't, then obviously it would be bearish for a little bit. And then we'll auto save. We're learning, and drop down to the 1 hour. What's up, brother? Yo, I got my account working on hyper ticks. Let's go, Antoine. What was the problem? Oh, didn't I help you? I helped like 2 people. One person had a problem because they'd connected to the web platform, but they also connected to Volcy, and so the data feed kept getting like bouncing back and forth, and so it would log them out. And they just had to close out of Volcy and then restart the computer and just connect to the web one, and then it was fine. I don't know if that was you, but if so, I'm glad it worked out for you. Jay Keen, what's up? What up, Jay Keen? Okay, so on the 1 hour, not really looking for much, just kind of looking at structure. Same thing, go down to the 30 minutes. Let's see if we can finally get us a little trend line going. We can. So let's go ahead and do that. What the hell is going on? I cannot wait to be back on Project X. Four-hour gap. Stay and hold. Please and thank you. Boom. I wonder if I can lock it down. I wonder if that'll make a difference. Is there a lock button? Let's see. Settings. Save. Save. Save it. Don't move it. Save it. Okay. 30 minutes. I think it just needs time to load when you switch. I think that's what I'm doing wrong here. Okay. It's there. Throw a little Tory trade line on there. Okay. Save it. Now we're good. What the hell is my trend line above the trend? Why is my trend line above the trend? Volmetric, get your shit together. All right, you know what? I'm about to just this is why we're gonna save charting for whenever we can go back to Project X. Charting on this sucks. Oh wait, no, maybe I'm an idiot. Hold on. Oh no, I'm an idiot. It's fine. We're good. Okay. I'm gonna make sure that I'm on my account, and we'll go ahead and I'm gonna get into trade. I was playing with the EMA 58 with the 5-second chart today, and that thing was crushing, guys. Like every time it was like it's like stronger on the 5 seconds. I don't know why. I was just catching the little micro scalps. It was fun. Your chart reminds me of Cookie Monster. This chart's making me mad. I don't think it's volumetric's problem. I think that it just needs more to like load, and because I'm streaming, it throws it off. I think that's all it has to do with it. I don't think it's the platform. It's just my computer trying to handle all the processing at one time. Discount on gold. Well, let's have a poll. Do you guys want to trade gold tonight or NQ? If you say gold, just know we're gonna lose a lot. If you say NQ, we're gonna hit some bangers. That's all I can say. All right, so overall trend is consolidation, right? So we have this breakout right here. I did get my volume profile back, which is nice. I like it. So Asia started what, right there? Asia started right there. So we've created this volume. This is POC. I'm probably going to short back to POC. So I will take the first trade. I just want to wait. I want to wait to see it, if it's gonna like do this and then start like rolling over, and then I'm gonna take the short down to, well, I guess down to wherever the $200 is, because that's what we're doing. But start up the stream chat battle. Gold's losing levels. Let's just long gold, guys. Yeah. All right, you guys got a minute on the poll. Hit the poll. NQ or gold. What are you guys trading tonight? What do you want to see me trade tonight? Just note, I suck at trading gold. So if you want to watch me lose a bunch, then pick gold. And yeah. We will have a giveaway tonight. Thrill chaser. Yeah, you guys are thrill chasers, huh? All right. So in the poll, you guys want to see me lose. I see what it is. Oh, y'all want me to do gold. No. You want gold? That's what you want? That's what you guys want? Draw on. Dang, overwhelmingly. Chasing the thrills, bruh. That's pretty cool. Welcome to the stream, Thrill Chaser. Okay, so we are going to jump over to gold. I might have to add it, I'm not going to lie. Gold futures. Now, do we do micros on gold, or do we just go full in? Asia sees gold or silver. Don't be scared. Y'all want to do micros? No, do micros. Gold might be better mover tonight. Thrill Chaser. Of course you would say minis, Thrill Chaser. Micros, full GC, minis. I think we got more minis, guys. All right. Well, I gotta look at it real quick because I haven't looked at gold at all. So let me just take a quick peek of what's going on here. Came up, drop, hit this. This is on a healthy pullback. Probably see another one. So short, 4 hours. Fair value, fair value. Value here is resisting. Actually, that could probably pop. Okay. So long 4 hour. Short 1 hour. Okay. Asia started right here. What do we have? We had short, long, short. All right, so looking for a short, right? That's what we're looking for. EMA just crossed over the VWAP. We're only 35 on RSI. Think we'll wait for a pop back up to this area and then short it. That's my goal. That's my plan. I want to see a pop back up to like POC, or at least like the moving averages, right? And then I will hit. So we probably have to bump up this, right? Instead of being 200. What do you guys think is a fair amount for a 1-to-1 take profit stop loss on gold? Do you think like 500 would be better? I say 500 no? Just because gold moves differently than NQ. My man, Thrill Chaser said, "I'm in it for the, I'm in it for the thrills, baby." I know you guys say micros, but listen, there was more minis than micros. All right, so we gotta get what the people want. Happy Kids said, "Let's go, Red." What's up, Happy Kids? Welcome back to the stream, guys. If you don't mind, please hit the like button. Please share the live out. We missed a live last night, so numbers are gonna be down just because you miss one, everybody hates you. So if you guys don't mind, please sharing this out, liking it, chat a lot, do things to help get us pumping. What size are you trading? I guess we're gonna go with the minis. We're full in. We're this is what we do, so we're not gonna take beginner micros. We're gonna go full in. I don't really trade micros anyways. I know gold moves differently, but we'll see. We'll see what happens. I am not the best gold trader, so if you're thinking of copy trading me, tonight is not the night, guys. I'm gonna let you know that right now. Yeah, so it's one mini, 500 for a 1-to-1. I'm gonna take a trade, and then you guys get to vote on your trade, and we're gonna battle and see who. So far, I think I'm the winner, right? I think the first night we did this, we tied. The second night, I'm pretty sure I spanked y'all's hiney. And then the next night, I think I spanked y'all's hiney. And then, yeah, and then tonight's probably going to be the same outcome. Because I'm goated like that. What is up, Tony Gold? Welcome to the stream. I appreciate you being here. We're getting ready to have a streamer chat battle. We have a streamer account and we have a chat account. I will take a trade, a 1-to-1 ratio, $500, and then you guys will take a trade off the poll, and then we'll see who comes out victorious. Ooh, chat needs to win. Yes, Mochi, chat needs to win. I've been clapping the chat's chin. I'm just kidding. Yeah, chat needs a W. Which chat's not doing bad, right? Chat still won. Let's see. So I'm at 51.87 and you guys are at 57.42. So y'all are up $742. I'm up $11.87. And I have not taken any trades on this outside of stream. I can share my dashboard where you guys can see every single trade I've made on this. That's the beauty in Hypertix. And you can also, I can also share the chat one, which I did. The chat one is in the Discord. If you guys aren't already in the Discord, jump in. It's the best Discord in the game. I'll go ahead and link it in the chat for you guys. It's in the link tree. Just click on it. Click on the Discord. You guys that are on the shorts, anybody over there on the short bus, there you go. And use the volume profile or what? Yeah, I do. I don't really know. I don't trade gold a lot, so we'll see how this works. I am not a gold trader. I've mainly been trading NQ since I've started, but I need to get more into gold. I know a lot of you guys like gold, so I've just from now on I'm just gonna hold a poll, and whatever you guys are trading is what I want to be trading. That way we can be trading together. We're a nation, right? We gotta be together on this. We got this chat account. Look at Lunchable trying to pump y'all up. I don't know, Lunchable. You're going against the best. Let's go. Alex TWB said long. Well, Alex, I'm waiting for it to long to right around this area. Right here, and like I don't know why that's going that way, but I am new to this platform too, so bear with me. Somewhere right in this area right here is where I'm going to probably short it from. Waiting to see if it's going to create a bear flag or if it's going to pop to this region, which is what I'm thinking, and then I'm going to short it back down to this area. That's my trade plan. That's what I'm going with. But Alex TWB, you're a lot better of a trader than me. You're probably right. Zintaki, yes. Mario, you the boss. Look, now that I talked all that trash, you guys are going to whoop me tonight. Watch. You guys are going to spank me tonight now that I second the motion long. Man, I got Alex and Ryan telling me to long. Man. I'm changing my bias here. Red candles. That was the chat's trade plan. Okay, Kaboosh. Alright. It looks like it's trying to take out the 4-hour low. Yep, on the 4-hour it did look short. D, what's good? What's up, D? If I'm not for your chat. Sophie said I'm shorting. Because I know people are longing. Got to buy that dip. That is true. Well, I wanted to short, but I didn't want to short from the bottom of the value area here, right? I wanted to short once we got back up closer to this low volume node or POC, which was my plan. And I feel like it's probably about to pop. So I might actually long. Let me see what this next candle does. If it's going to be one of these like pull-ups and then push down, then obviously I didn't want to long. I want to wait for that dip to long. Or is it going to go ahead and start pushing up doing this? Tori Trades, what's up? Tell Tori I said what's up. TWB, crazy to see you here. Yo, heat map, go crazy. Yep, Alex TWB streams the heat maps for you guys. And I just found out after talking to Ryan how expensive those things are. So let's give him a nice little warm welcome, since he's the man that makes it possible for us to be able to watch that without paying, you know, $5,100, however much it is. Dom N, what is good? Gold wanting to 3 bottom. Wanting to go through the bottom. Dom N here. I know you are newer. You were on the short bus over there, brother. So I'm going to drop you the link for the horizontal stream. Click on that and jump on over. Show me some Tory lines on your chart. There's trend lines would be broken as a confirmation. Yep. Honestly, gold is kind of really trendy anyways, right? Like trend lines do work pretty well with gold. Actually, I don't want to do it from there. structure not right. Let's do it from there. Okay. I think I'm going to go ahead and hit the long here. Actually, I'm going to wait for my trade plan. I'm waiting for my trade plan. What's his name? What's whose name? Oh, Alex TWB is in the chat. Scroll up, click on him. You can click his profile. You could subscribe to him. You can check out the book maps. He streams them live, and he streams them for a lot of different instruments, if I'm correct on that. I think he does. That was the chat. Yeah. Don't be trying to steal my trade plan, Adam. So much better. Appreciate it. You're welcome, Don. I figured you'd want to be over here. Take the chat trade. She's finally take the chat long. Thank you, brother. You're welcome, Levi. All right. No, it looks like it's wanting to push down, don't it? Nah, I'm taking it. I'm new to gold, guys, so bear with me. I'm new to gold, okay? I'm just trying to see how the price action is playing out. You smoking the devil's lettuce? No, Jolly. I got a hookah. It's a legit hookah. I don't know if you guys saw that. I used to when I was younger, though, but then I quit. I started working at a casino as a gaming commissioner, and when I started working at the casino as a gaming commissioner, we got drug tested and we drug tested other employees, so I had to quit. And then whenever I stopped working at that job, I think I was at like a birthday party or whatever. It was like 2 weeks after I left that job. And I was like, you know what? I'm gonna start smoking again. And it was like 4 years since I had smoked. And they had one of those gravity bongs in the kitchen sink. And I went in, I took 2 big reps back to back. Because I told the guy, I was like, man, it's my first time hitting it in like 4 years. And so he gave me 1 big rep, and then I took it, and then he gave me another big rep. He said, take 2 is your first one. I had like a spiritual high. I mean, I had a panic attack that was having a panic attack. I thought I was gonna die. And like the whole night I was like, I don't remember it being like this, you know what I mean? And so I was like, okay, well, maybe it was just a fluke. Maybe it was bad, right? Like maybe they had some Eddie in there or something crazy, right? So then like a couple weeks later, I tried it again. Same thing happened, and then I was like, I'm done. I'm never doing this again. Hookah, yeah, hookah's, well, it's shisha, but it's like a like pipe tobacco mixed with like honey and flavoring and some other stuff. Had to switch to manual breathing. I don't even think I was breathing. That was the problem. I felt like I couldn't breathe. I felt like my chest was caving in, and I was like, dude, this is not how I remember it at all. I was on that spiritual high. thought I was done for. All right. I could be crazy for this, but I'm gonna give it a shot. I don't ever trade gold. Don't copy me. I'm probably gonna lose this trade, but I'm gonna hit the short. Despite what the OGs say, I'm gonna hit the short. It's just looking a little too bear flaggy for me. If this was in Q, this bad boy was dropping. It has tried to push. Every time bulls step in, it just gets closer and closer. It's just one of them things where it's like, yeah, that's nice that you're buying, but we're still taking price down here for whatever reason. Now, I could be wrong, but from my judge of how price action is looking, Now gold, I don't know. Gold could be like a fake out master, and that's just what it does. I don't know. And that's what it's, yeah. So it seems about right. Red, I find it easier looking at the 15-minute, 30-minute, and 1 hour for gold. It likes to sweep the body of the previous candle before it breaks. Yeah, I did, Christopher, I did look at the previous 4 hour. I didn't look at the 30-minute, but I looked at the 4 hour, the 1 hour. I didn't look at the 15, though. The spirits got me. Demons got me. Y'all remember that, the what were they called? The Hodge twins? Remember their old videos and be like, demon got me. They were freaking hilarious, man. You were in limbo dimension. I was in the freaking outer limits for real. The Twilight Zone. I thought they had laced it, man. I thought they're... That's what I thought. But then whenever I did it again, I realized it wasn't the green. It was just me. I realized I was the one that messed up. Yeah, I ain't doing that no more. I thought he said, was it local? I mean, I'm pretty sure it came from somewhere. I don't know if it was local. It's not honey. It doesn't matter if it's local or not. It's supposed to get rid of allergies or something. Well, I don't think allergies was the problem at that time. It was more like cardiovascular arrest. Bro, I love Hodge twins. You know, good comedy. Yeah, I watch a lot of comedy stuff. I've had that spiritual high too. All that purple. Yeah, Dave Chappelle, for what it's worth, funny and about smoking. Yeah. I like how Dave Chappelle just disappeared for like 10 years and then all of a sudden came back and made a Netflix special. But I grew up watching Half Baked, so I watched that movie religiously when I was younger. If this thing pops up, I'll be so mad. Tell me this isn't the most bearish bear flag you ever seen in your life. If this doesn't scream bear flag, I don't know what does. Does this do this? No, it doesn't do the whole thing. Okay. Don't you do it. You did not get squeezed all the way down here just to do this. Now you talked it going up. Dang it, man. No, it's going down. That's a bear flag. I don't care what instrument you on. That's a A+ bear flag. That's the finest bear flag I've ever seen in my life. That's a 10 right there. It's a dime. GC moves different. Well, it's making a bear flag like the finest. Future's finest right there. I wait from this guy that came from Cali. It made me freak out. I ran home, laid on my floor, and knocked out. Yeah, that's scary. And you know it's bad when you wake up and you're still like that, right? And you're like, oh, is it ever going to end? It's a bear flag until it isn't. Yeah, it's starting to squeeze. It's starting to look like it's wanting to pop these little micro squeezes and just lift off, right? Listen, I'm on a streak though. I don't think I've lost a trade yet. In 4 nights in a row, I don't think I've lost a trade yet. During New York session, I've literally been done with my trades within the first 15 minutes of New York Open on all my accounts. You guys can go check Discord if you don't believe me for timestamps. So, with that being said, I am on a big win streak. So, this probably, I guess I am due a loss. You're right. I'm due a loss. You can't win forever. I think it might head up to POC. And that was my original trade plan. And now that you said that, now Now I'm spooked out on my trade. Thanks a lot. Because that's what, like I tell you guys, that's what always happens on the ones that I lose is whenever I come in and I think, okay, I got a trade plan. It's going to come up. And it's going to come around POC, low volume right here, VWAP, whatever you want to call it, whatever confluence you want to look at. And then it's probably going to continue to go back down. That's where I wanted to take my short. However, bear flag too clean, right? So I had to do it. The bear flag was just too pretty. But bulls are not letting this thing drop for some reason. So they're going to have to take price up higher, take out some of this, and then come back down. So I probably did lose this trade, unfortunately. I think if it would have went down, it would have kind of pushed after that candle or that candle. But because they've held it, it's going to have to go up now to... Yeah, there it goes. There it goes. Close the gap, turn around, flip, stop me out. And then you guys can laugh. Now we laugh. Really nice. Are you playing CPI tomorrow? Heck yeah, I'm playing CPI tomorrow. Trade what you see. Yeah, you're right, Alex. Those are always my most losing trades, are the ones that I have a trade plan, but then I deviate from that trade plan, and those are the ones that I normally lose. Dude, they cannot get it past, they can't get it down into this level right here for some reason. Look, every time they try. Alex, I know you got that heat map on, brother. What is it? Is there just a lot of buys sitting there? What's the deal? Do I need to draw the candles, guys? Do I need to draw them? Is that the problem? I think that's the problem. It needs the candles. It needs the candle. It needs that warmth. It needs to be enticed a little bit, right? This is the best trading technique right here. Not financial advice, but this is the winner. When you learn to do this, you've mastered it. That's your A+ setup right there. You give it a little, come on, come get this warmth right there. You feel that? Come on down, baby. Come on down. Come get the, don't go up there where it's cold. Come on down to the warmth. The candles never fell. Candles never fell. Why does that actually look good? What, my candles? They are good. What do you mean? 4120 has a big buyer. Okay. What does ROFL mean? Okay, close it now. I can't close it. We're in a 1-to-1 trade. This is how the trade battle works, guys. It's a 1-to-1. Once the trade's open, you just have to wait till it hits the stop loss or the take profit. I mean, that's, you know, because here's the thing. It would be cheating because I'm the one that's executing the trade, right? So if I wait till it goes in my favor and I just stop it out, but I don't do the same for your guys' trade, then I'm kind of just making my trades win and not your trades win, right? So this is the only fair way of doing it, is just letting it play out. A 1-to-1. I'm thinking we pop here. Don't you put that on me, Bobby Boucher. 4120 has big buyer. They're waiting for the break of the 4-hour low. Yeah, I'm waiting for the break of 4122 and I'm happy. That's all I need. Give me what is that, 6 points? Or however many points. Oh no, that's 4 points. Oh, there's not a lot of points in gold, huh? It's not like trading NQ where you're looking for like 40 points. Take a look at the 5-minute. I don't want to, Punisher. I'm scared to look at the 5-minute. I'm overanalyzing as it is. I'm thinking it hit this low volume. It popped up and support it. A lot of times the low volume areas will be like support and resistance. So if it keeps supporting this area right here, it's going to pop. I mean, that's just, it's inevitable, right? Charles Jolly said, me. Don't trade in fear. I don't. I trade and then I fear. The difference. It's a different psychological problem. The candles never fail though, guys. That's the winner right there. But not everybody can draw them like this. That's the thing. It only works for the best chartist out there. The chart art. The best chartist. If you're a good chartist, winning strat. All day. You'd be satisfied. I am satisfied. All you guys showed up to hang out and trade with me. I'm satisfied already. Win or lose. I'd be a lot more happier though if we win this trade and it stops resisting this area. That's what. Because this is like building up a lot of sell pressure that it's just gonna freaking wick through or fuel off of. You don't use BE. I don't know what it is, to be honest, so probably not. Oh, break evens. Morrow, this is a where it's streamer versus chat. Yes, and when I trade, yeah, I would use a break even. But because it's streamer versus chat, it's we take the trade, we leave it until it hits stop loss or take profit. And then for you guys, same thing. When we do the trade, that's the only way to really have a fair battle, right? 2 minute long wick until like 2 years from now when AI advances all of YouTube and everything and you guys can literally hit the button yourself while we're watching. But until then, this is the only, which I think AI is gonna be crazy in like 2 years from now. What do you guys think? I feel like nobody's gonna have a job anymore. I watched a video today where China has these like road construction vehicles and they're completely AI ran, no humans at all touch them, and they've been building roads. And I was like thinking, dang, I thought like at least construction workers were safe, but now I don't even know. I think they're out of jobs too soon. That doesn't, now it's not even like, is it capable of that happening? Now it's just like, it is capable. When is it going to happen, right? I'm saying thanks to ChatGPT. Every time I'm scared of the thing. Yeah. The crazy part is I don't think they have a way to shut it off. That's the scary part about AI, right? Is the fact that like, how do you shut it off at this point? It's like already in everything. You don't know what it thinks because there's no way of controlling what AI is doing, right? It could literally be like embedding cookies in everything and just having little bits and pieces of it just in case if we try to shut it down. It could be like, psych, I'm over here in that one financial app you had on your Apple phone and you didn't realize. Maintenance man, someone has to lube the machine. So yeah, a robot, a freaking AI powered robot's gonna lube the machine. And then you're not even gonna need people to maintenance the AI. They'll just have AI maintaining the AI. Tell me, if one of you guys can think of a job that would require someone that AI couldn't do, let me know, because I can't think of one. What's up, Teddy? Welcome to the stream. Everybody that's new to the stream, hit that link tree, join the Discord. It's the best Discord in the game. Come on and get the warmth, baby. You know you want this heat. You know you want it. I'll jiggle them. I will jiggle them for you. Make it bounce, bounce, baby. Nursing. Nope. They already got AI bots that go and get the medication in the hospital and bring it to. They already have the bots that literally go in and tap into the veins and does that whole like thing instead of nurses doing it. They already have, like, before you know it, these AI machines that doctors use, the robot arms and stuff like that they can use to do surgery from thousands of miles away. Eventually, that's just going to be I think they already have an AI doctor out there that's doing surgery. So, no, unfortunately, they're gone too. Horrible comedians, yeah, yeah. I think maybe comedians, right? But the thing is like creativity is something that's hard for AI to do, but the more data it's gathering over all of our creativity, it'll be able to, I don't know, I think it'll be able to be good at it. Astronaut, nah, they'll be able to do that. Robots will be able to endure more harsh conditions than what we can. It's not biological. AI traders, nah. Once when AI traders jump in, the market's done for. Are you watching Red Candle's robot AI? Window washer. No. See, nobody can think of one. Intergalactic capacitor examiner. Nope. Sorry. All right, let's adjust this trend line. Window washer, electrician, plumber. Nope. Nope, they're out. Plumbers are gone. No more plumber crack, guys. That was 1990s. It's over with. Now there's just robot crack. Robots can't screen for personality and soft skills. No, I think they can. I think they will definitely be able to do that. I think they'll be able to do that better than we can, unfortunately. The candle blocker, because the thing is like, even whenever a person is trying to screen somebody's personality, you're basing it off of your own personality subconsciously in some way. They will just never be human. Yeah, the only thing that they won't be able to do is be biological. That's about the only thing. They won't be able to produce a heart or something, which maybe, you know, with genetic modifying and stuff like that, they might be able to. I think we could like grow tissues now. They might be able to do it too, but I don't know. I can't seem to find a job that they won't be able to take. You got to think, AI is advancing so fast right now, right? That because of AI advancing, it's just going to keep, like, the speed of it advancing is just going to keep like doubling and doubling and doubling and doubling, because now instead of us trying to figure out how to advance AI is going to learn how to advance AI, and then that smarter AI is going to learn how to advance smarter AI, and it's just going to continue to grow super fast. How is AI going to wire a custom house? Listen, Matthew, I'm telling you guys, you need to go to YouTube and pull up China's AI bots and look how, like, there's an AI doctor, there's AI like nurses, there's AI dogs, there's AI. I mean, literally, they already have all this stuff. Wait, someone got the one and only job. Where is it? I see it on my screen. Who said it? It was. Where's it at? Where's it at? The story that scared me is the AI that tried to blackmail the guy because they were going to shut it down. Like, what? Yeah. And that, like, if that's not telling you AI is not sentient, then I don't know what is, because that's feelings, right? Fear is a feeling. And if it's fearing to be shut down, then it has some sort of feelings. All right, well, I can't find who said it, but somebody said hooker. That's about the only job I can find that they can't replace yet, until Cyberskin gets really great or something. Maybe. Those China videos are all AI. My point exactly, J-Trade, see? You don't even have video editors making the videos or watch about AI no more. Those jobs are already taken. Break even, risk-free trade. Can't do it. We gotta stick. We gotta. It's a battle, guys. It's a battle. We gotta stick with it. I'll either win this or take my spanking like a man. One of the two. Just knows what's up. Elon making bots for that. Elon's making bots for himself already. You know that. The dude's kind of weird. He's really smart, but he's a little weird though, and he's a little off. He's a little like pre-magic Yennefer. How do I see AI doctors and lawyers? AI can't put a roof on a house. You don't think an AI bot couldn't put a roof on a house? And this is the problem, and this is the problem with this is why AI is going to grow to the way it is, because we underestimate the capability of what these mofos can do. Yeah, I'm short, like an idiot. Little Key, thanks for pointing it out though. I appreciate you. I'm just kidding, Lil Key. Welcome to the Lil Killy or Key. I can't read. Letters are small. Welcome to the stream, Julian and Levi. Oh no, you've been here, Levi. Either way, welcome to everybody. Thank you for being on the stream. Smash the like button if you haven't. These candles are going to come down to these candles because they want to get next to the warmth. Smash our TP. And then it's going to be y'all's turn to catch up. I'm waiting for my AI girlfriend. And I already got an AI girlfriend. Her name's Fundy. And she's free. She's right on Funded Next's website. Have you guys seen Fundy? Listen, I'm gonna need some of you guys to come up with some good catch lines that we can ask Fundy a little bit later on in the stream. We can ask her and see if we can get her on our side. I'm late, but pre-magic Yennefer is wild. Elon's got a little pre-magic Yennefer tool. You know what I mean? Just a little bit. The price got caught on the candle smoke. I know the heat is causing it to evaporate and rise, right? Problem solved. We fixed that, Ryan. Yeah, we got to get Fundy on our side. Listen, Fundy knows all the stuff, right? That's the AI of Funded Next. Like, we got to get her on our side, and then we got to ask for them secrets. Once when she falls in love with Red Candle Nation, we're going to figure out, okay, what are the winning traders? Like, what's their size? What are they trading? What times are they trading? What's their risk loss ratio? You know, how many points do they give their stop losses? Like, Fundy's going to, listen, Fundy's going to help us out here, guys. I just know it. So I need you guys to help me come up with some pickup lines. That way we can get Fundy on our side. Now that we know that AI bots are scared to be shut off, we know they got feelings, which we know if they got feelings, Fundy's got feelings, and we're gonna get it. Why is this system has both stop loss and take profit green? That's confusing. Because I don't know how to change it. Well, hold on. Let's see if we can change it. Order filled. That's all I want to hear right now. Order filled. It's really creating a base, isn't it? Can you just come down like we were so close? Just come down like one more little point. It's just a point, gold. God, now it's gonna round off and then it's gonna come up. And my shit. We were so close. That's why I don't want to trade gold. Gold's about to ruin my win streak. What do I win? What do you mean, what do you win? You can win the giveaway. Oh, we got a winner. Oh, Faye, yeah. Yeah, Faye. You gotta help us out, Faye. Faye, if you were an AI bot, what would you want to hear as a pickup line? We need your help. Red Candle Nation needs you. Picture me as like Uncle Sam. We want you. Can you specify custom sounds for... I don't think so. I think it's... Yeah, you can do voice sounds or disable. Which I don't want to do that. Four plus 4 equals 8. But you and me equals fate. Oh, let's go, Sophie. That's what I'm talking about. We gonna hit her with it. After my trade comes down here and smashes my TP, though. Are you Diet Coca-Cola or Zero? Cap, are you Diet Coca-Cola or Zero? I don't get it, Cap. Need a fart sound with an echo for that SL. Yeah, just every time it hits your stop loss. And then like a big thumbs down emoji pops up on your screen. That would be real cool for trading, right? If there's a way to break your monitor, I don't know what would be except for that. They need to partner with a bunch of monitor companies and then start implementing that on trading platforms, and they'll make sales like a mofo. Because if I lost a trade, I'm already a little like eyeball twitching, and then on top of it, if it went with the thumbs up on there, I'd punch this damn screen. You'd see me on I'd have some TikTok or some Twitter posts the next day, that's for sure. Take any trade yet? Thrills, are you watching this? Are you even watching? Take any trades? We are in a trade, brother. Listen, there's an AI eye doctor out there for you somewhere, Thrills. If you want, we can look one up for you. Longest bear flag ever. Yeah, that's that Trump flag right there. That's that 40-foot freaking White House. Hook me up, bro. Well, let me get in with Fundy first, okay, Thrills, and then we'll get the connection, okay? One thing at a time. iDoc can help. Oh yeah, Jay, iDoc. Matt, Rocket Scooter, if you're in here watching, tell iDoc we need some medical advice for Thrill Chaser over here. He just asked for in a trade while we're in a trade. I know sometimes you just be stealthing silent ninja in here. You guys can't see, but I can see the participants right there. So I can see the lurkers. I know who be lurking. Dude, it's rounding off now. So unless we get this I think this is our last chance for this, right? Because it's starting to round, right? Making that J on back up. So I think our last chance is this very next V. If this very next V doesn't hit before it starts coming up, if it does like this, then we're screwed. We are... No! Give me the eraser. Thank you. I'm going to move the trend line. I know it's like defeats the purpose of the trend line when it breaks it, but it definitely makes me feel better. Like, regardless of technical analysis, it makes me feel more comfortable with the trade, right? Like, oh, look, it never broke the trend line. Surprise, surprise, we're still winning. Does Matt show up here? Yeah. Every once in a while, he'll be laying in bed at night, and he'll pull up the old red candles and check us out. Not my fault you got some goofy colors on them charts, bro. I'm on my phone to chill. I'll just messing with you, Thrill Chaser. It's not goofy colors. Come on now, that's the branding. Red candles, white and red. That's our logo too. Our logo for Red Candle Nation. Have you never? You haven't seen it? Let me show you. It was actually chat. It was community made too, which is cool. Where do I have it at? I'm getting it revised. I'm getting it like sharpened. But we went through a lot of different. Okay, so we went through a lot of different ones, right? We went through like, this was the first one, right? That was the first one we had. Okay, and then we had, and then it went from that to futures trader. We had this one, which still probably is my favorite, but we had that one. And then it went to this one, futures trader 420 made this one, and then I revised it a little bit to just give it a sleeker, cooler look, and we ended up with that one right there. That's Red Candle Nation. Looks like an N, right, for nation. It's just sleek, it's cool, it's simple, sophisticated. It's nice, right? What do you guys think? Can you say this riddle? My neck hurts, neck hurts, neck hurts. I don't know that riddle. My neck hurts, neck hurts, neck hurts. I don't get it. I'm gonna hit you with that FSP. Okay. Okay. Let's see, where's that? Hey Ray. Oh, what's up, Paul? I used to lurk. I meant red, sorry. Yeah, you're good, Paul. Yep, higher high, higher low. Yeah, that's what I was saying. If we don't get one good retest down to like just get that, you know, like sometimes when it flags up, you'll get that one hard drop before it starts pumping. If we don't get that like now, then this trade's cooked. It's done for. It's toast. It's over, Rover. Don't push the maybe baby, right? Whatever saying you use. That's what my 4-year-old says. My little 4-year-old son. He's always like, "Don't push the maybe baby." It cracks me up every time. And it's over, Rover. That's the one. It's over, Rover. You guys think I'm good at streaming? That little kid is he's gonna kill it at streaming when he gets older. He is funny as can be. Always coming out talking about he wants that milkshake money. So, Daddy, let me get that milkshake money. New GC POC. Yeah, building up right here. Let's go back. I like to look at it. I don't know how you do it, Alex, but I like to do it session. So looking at it. So I bring the candles right here from where the session started at. And so, yeah, you would be right. That's the new POC right there. Yep. Nailed it, brother. That's it. Alright, we're going to get rid of these stupid red candles. They didn't work. They did not work. I think this trade is toast. It didn't get that one hard push down. Now instead of it being one of these shapes where it, you know, it does like this and then it gets that one boom and then starts catching back up. Instead of it being like that. And I need the red back, or the white back, because I don't like the orange. Give me the white. There we go. Now instead it's gonna roll, right? It's gonna do like one of these, like where it starts rolling over. If the candle patterns play out like they do on NQ anyways. I don't know. I don't trade gold a whole lot. AI is going to take over streaming. Nah, Jolly, I wouldn't go that far now. Come on, no. AI is going to take over people that make fun of Rumblebot. I do session as well. Okay, Alex, cool deal. So that's why you knew, yep. Mochi Bear. You laughing. Don't ease to get you to throw racial slurs. Wait, what? Hold up. Who was trying to get me to throw racial slurs? I mean, I'm not going to do it, but just curious. Oh, neck hurt, neck hurt. I got it. That's crazy, Ice. You trying to get me banned, huh? That's messed up. Well, it makes sense now. At least now I get it. It's good to know, right? Because I could have just fell right into the trap. Misery loves company. I'm pretty miserable right now that I lost this. I wish it would just go ahead and hit it. Like, we already know the trade's over. Just do it. Just go. I truly want to see this go good. Juicebox, I have a feeling you're lying. Like, I think it's a nice thing to say, but I think deep down inside you're like, come on, just hit that freaking stop loss already. People love to watch people lose just as much as people love to watch people win. I feel like it's like why people watch dramas, right? People love it. If I made a video that was like, hey, this is how I made $6,000, but then I made a video and I was like, hey, this is how I lost $200,000. You're going to watch that how I lost $200,000 video probably, right? Don't lose faith. It's rounding. Think about it. If this was upside down, right? It's rounding. If this was upside down, if it was like this, right? It does that. It does the little like this. And then it rounds. Boom. It comes down, you know. I don't know. I'm good at geometry. I just see like the shapes. I could see it rounding. I can see the... It's a very common... Like, I'm looking at it... It's hard to look at upside down, or it's harder to look at it on the bearish side than it is the bullish side, but like... It has that same, like, you get the pole, you get like the drop down, right? And then the pump up, and then the round. It's that shape right there, the scythe, the Grim Reaper, whatever you want to call it. It's a very noticeable pattern. It's very repeatable. It does it all the time. Gold don't like to pay fair. Yeah, it doesn't, does it? Come on, baby. Come on. Come to Papa. Come on. Just a little bit. Just give me a little bit more. Just tap it. Tap, tap, tap-a-roo. Give it a little tappy. Come on. Come on, you're right there. Why you gotta play with my emotions, Gold? Did I say I'm gonna hold a poll from now on in the beginning to see if we're gonna trade gold or NQ? Because I lied. I hate gold. I hate gold. I'm more of a like platinum type of guy. I'd rather wear silver than gold. Yo, smash that thumbs 4-hour guy. What's up, Wesley? Guys, if you haven't watched Wesley, he's a good streamer. Definitely check him out. Give him a sub. One day I'm gonna talk him into doing a duo stream with me. We can both hit it up, but you know, until then, give him a sub. Go back to NQ. I'm saying, David, I'm about to go back. I'm about to like hold. I'm just gonna put the poll up, and I just need somebody to hit NQ real quick, and I'm gonna end it real fast. Be like, oh, it's NQ. You guys voted NQ. We're going back to NQ. Have you checked out Alpha Futures? Yeah, Happy Kids. I'm affiliated with Alpha Futures, and but I just don't promote them anymore. they're good for me. Like I say, you guys know me, right? I always, when I look at prop firms, I look at like what do they have over other prop firms, right? Like what's something that sticks out that would be the reason why somebody would want to use them over other ones. For alpha futures, they do have that, but it's not in my realm of trading, so I don't really use them anymore. And their niche is basically big payouts. So if you're a really good trader, this would be like somebody like Just My Styles, right? You know, somebody that's getting payouts a lot and stuff. You can take out, I think, $15,000 weekly on payouts with them. So that's a niche, right? That's pretty, and that's on one account. That's not copy trading or any of that stuff. It's their advanced accounts. Now they're harder to pass and they have a little bit harder criteria, but whenever you get to the funded, it's no consistency, 15K weekly payouts. So if you're a really good trader, but see, like I'm not there yet. Like I'm still just trying to get the little $1,000, $1,500 payouts. So when I get there though, but that's what I would say alpha futures is good for. I mean, if you guys want to use them, I do have a link for them if you want to support the channel and stuff, but I just haven't been promoting them because, I feel like there's better deals right now, unless you're just that one type of trader, there's better deals. Aqua Futures has got really good deals right now. Apex has really good deals right now. Apex actually has their deal right now just changed. It's 80% off, 50% on whenever it renews, and then it's I think it's $80 or $85 for Fundit's lifetime, and that's any account size. So they got really good deals right now. Hypertix has good deals right now for our community, especially. Not anywhere else you can find, but it's buy one get one if you pass the eval, buy one get one on the instant funded if you get your first payout. So those are probably the best deals right now. Fundit Next got like a 5% discount, so if you guys like Fundit Next, but they're no like super crazy good deal. My Fundit Future has a really good deal right now too, which is you buy a core account using my code, you get like whatever the discounted price is, and then also you get the scale add-on to it as well, which is really nice. So they have really good deals. I think that's really it right now. I mean, all of them have some deals going, but to me, those are like the best ones right now. I'd say, and Trade Day, I'm sorry. Trade Day has 60 or 30% off, no activation fee. So Trade Day if you're looking for daily payouts. Aqua Futures if you're looking for the cheapest end of day. Hypertix if you're looking for the cheapest end of day and you can pass an account. Or if you're looking for a funded where you get a payout and get another funded for free, right? So that would be their niche. My Funded Futures if you just want pretty much like the best prop firm in the game right now, plus getting that scale add-on to your core account. And then Fundit Next would be if you guys are just looking for the fastest path to pay out. Like you're like, I want to get paid out within a week, like within 3 or 4 days, then Fundit Next would be the one to go with. Gold out here tick. Yeah, it's just playing with me at this point. It's just playing with me. Like, well, you like this is what you guys like trading? You like trading gold? I don't understand. I feel like we'd have more fun trading wheat or cattle. Oh. Yeah, I'm down for some NQ. Thrill still doesn't know what's going on. You're a shit trader, but fun to watch. Just stream and randomly trade for real, for real. Thrill, I mean, I've been on a win streak. I haven't lost a trade in like, I don't know, probably about a week and a half. So if you call that a shit trader, then I guess you also need more things checked than just your eyeballs. Price, are you down? Milkshakes are a must. Yes, Mochi. We need that milkshake money. Come on, baby. Just past that trade day influencer cup of gold. Let's go, Pine. So you're back on the leaderboards now, huh? Because didn't you like, weren't you like, oh no, you have to pass the eval and then now you have to go to get back on there. Smokey, don't play with my emotions. Smokey, don't play with my emotions. Yeah. Big worm. Big perm. I don't want to have to hurt you, Smokey. One of my all-time favorite movies, Fridays. Definitely. Fun at Futures Network has a good deal of 50% off BOGO. That's what we got on Hypertix too. But if you like Fun at Future Networks, I don't know much about them, honestly. Jolly, I know, Jolly, you asked me to look into them. I did have an affiliation with them when I first started. But the problem was nobody was buying accounts through them. And I don't want to really like have a bunch of affiliations. I just want the ones that have like a niche that most people are looking for and the ones that most people are wanting, and kind of more focused down onto just being partnered with them. So that's the only reason why I don't really do the Funded Network anymore, because nobody really did anything. Gold, come on, bro. What is my Funded Futures deal? Lol, and also Lol, why are you over on the short bus? Here, Lol, jump over on this chat. That way I can see your chat more. Jump over on this live stream instead of you guys being on the short over there. So my Funded Futures deal is when you get the core account using code RED, then you get hold on. Come on, baby. Come on, you're right there. Just touch. You've already touched it. Just touch it a little bit harder. Come on. Fucking get down there. You're on it. Why is it not feeling? Feel. This is absolute. Gold's making my blood pressure go up. That's what gold will do for you. You didn't have high blood pressure? Trade gold. You do now. I swear to God, this thing pops straight up now. I'm gonna be so mad. I'm gonna be so mad, bro. If this thing just, like, it was on it. What do we have to pass it? We can't just touch the price? It's sim money. It's not like I'm trading real money here. Like, it's not like I really need a fill. It's monopoly money. You have a price, it hits price, price moves. It's there. Right there again. Okay. That's what we're doing, Gold. That's what we're doing, huh? Yeah, it seems okay. You know, like what? I count that as a win. Either way, I won this trade. I don't care. I don't care what it does. I already won. I won this trade. Regardless of what the P&L says, I won this trade. This is ridiculous. Do I need to just move it up one? I would do it for the chat account. I'd move it up one. I'd do it for you guys. You ain't won until you won. Thrill Chaser. Prove it on the chart. Look at the chart. You can't get no closer to the freaking thing. Look at that. Look, it's on the line. It's literally like the white crosses over the green. We want, you know. Huh?
Mommy. Go sleep with mommy.
Here, I want you to tell everybody.
I need to get that milkshake money.
Take your milkshake money, but yeah, you can lay in there. Love you. Give him some milk money. I'm gonna go get the milk. All right. They keep messing with me while I'm trying to stream. I cannot believe this shit. Because now it's going to push up. I cannot believe this. He said milkshake money. He wants that milkshake money. We was out here, for you guys that are new, I was out here trading one night, and he came out here in the middle of the night. And he basically, he was asking me what I was doing, so I was telling him. And I was like, you bet either it goes up or it goes down. And if you're right, you make money. And he was like, well, it's going to go up. And I said, all right, well, if it goes up, I'll enter the trade and I'll buy you a milkshake tomorrow. So I entered the trade. It went up. Take profit was hit. So the next day on my way home from work, I brought him a milkshake. And so ever since then, when he comes out and he sees me trading, he's like, I want to make that milkshake money. Hey, Daddy, let me make that milkshake money. So that's how that started. Since we're talking about it, we got a song around that too.
Order filled.
That's not it. Let's go, baby. In your face, Chase Thrills. In your freaking face. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just joking with you, Chase Thrills. Let's go, baby. We best in the game. You know what I mean? You got the big dogs in here. They're like, listen, go long. I was getting a little intimidated. I'm like, man, they know what they're doing. Everybody else was like, go long. And I just stuck to my guns and I said, you know what? I can feel it's going down. And I was right. And I got another W on the board. So now you guys, so red candle's 1. Now it's y'all's turn. I'm gonna hold a poll in the chat. Let's see here. All right, I'm gonna hold the poll in the chat. You got 1 minute, long or short, your turn to be victorious. Like your boy. Let's go, man. I ain't lost a trade and my win streak's still going, baby. About to hit, yeah, my win's about to go over 2K subs. I can't wait. I'm so close to 2K subs. Somebody hit me with the, oh, let's go. Let's go, Just My Styles. Thank you for the super chat. Thank you for inching us closer to our goals. Order filled. Order filled. You guys said long now. Long here. I'm just gonna go ahead and do it because I don't want you guys to miss your trade.
Order
Boom.
filled.
Got you in it. Got you in the long. We don't need that. We don't need Tori's trend lines. Tori's trend lines works, guys. I don't care what y'all say about it. It works. And so does them candles. There was them fireproof candles. They just took longer to warm up. All right. So we got y'all's trade in. Let's get some milkshake money songs going. Market Vision. Where's that milkshake money at? Did you put it? Is it? I forget which song it is. Was it this one? Yeah, it was this one right here. Got that milkshake money, baby. My candles bring all the milkshake to the yard. They're like, my stop loss is better than yours. Damn right. All right, let's Oh, look at y'all out here winning, baby. We are all winning tonight.
Yeah. Red Candles Nation. You know.
Oh, I took it on my account.
Futures trading, baby. Hyperticks is the way.
I took it on my account. I'll still count as a win for you guys, though. I'll still fail. Big streamer fail. I always do this.
Brendan and Jess know what's up. Code red, get in now. Candle blocker 58. Wow.
Doing what it's doing, blocking.
Nation so fine. Stacking milkshake money all the time. Red candles nation so fine. Futures trading is a sign. Ticks and charts I see. Gotta make that money for me.
Oh, that's funny.
Levels every day. Hoping that the bears all play. Candle blocker keeps me safe from the market's hateful wraith. Red candles nation so fine. Stacking milkshake money all the time. Red candles nation so fine. Futures trading is a sign. Futures trader, that's my name. Playing the market is my game. So fine, I'm feeling great. Profits rolling, ain't no debate. Red candles nation so fine. Stacking milkshake money all the time. Red candles nation so fine. Futures trading is a sign. Red candles
Order filled.
We all getting milkshakes, baby. We all getting a round of them.
all the time. Red candles nation so fine.
It was on my account, but both of them were. So that's that right there. That's red candles get two. Now we're gonna take one of y'all's account. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding, guys. Calm down. Don't get on me. Chase thrills. I'll let you guys do another one since I messed that up.
So fine, I'm feeling great. Profits rolling, ain't no debate. Futures trader, that's my name. Playing the market is my game.
I'm gonna let y'all take one more since I took it on my account by accident. Sorry. Might be want to come for that VWAP. Well, good job, guys. Thank you for getting me a W. I appreciate you. Keeping my win streak live. Wesley, let's go. Thank you for the $10. Luker, subscribe. Let's get him to 2K. Oh, Lurker says, yeah. If you guys can smash the like and sub, I will highly appreciate it. And thank you so much, Wesley, for the $10. We're 2 out of 5 on the goal now for super chats. Good trade too, guys. Good trade. What are you? Oh, Mark Cuban. Are you a full-time trader? No, I'm not. I'm a full-time insurance agent, but I want to be in the future. I'll be trading futures full-time. That's the goal, right? All right, let's go ahead and close this. In poll, we are on your account now. Let this candle drop a little bit, and then I'm gonna catch the buy. I'll just catch it. I don't want to like miss it if it keeps pumping. It didn't look like it was wanting to drop. Yeah, we are close. We are close to 2K subs, guys. Yep. Big Dog Wesley in the house. Thank you, Race, for the super chat. Thanks for all the help in the Discord. Appreciate you taking your time, as you always do, to always help. No problem, Race to Win. I know what it's like when you can't find help, and if I know the answer to it, then I'll help you guys. And if you guys are new to trading futures, if you've never traded futures, or prop firms and you guys want to get into it, join the Discord. You can ping me anytime. I will always help. I can definitely help you. I don't mind jumping in VC voice chat and helping you guys. I'm not an expert trader myself. I do pretty good, you know what I'm saying? I'm pretty good at it, but I'm not an expert trader, right? But I have been trading since April, so I have went through some, you know, some mistakes and some wins, some losses, and, you know, I've navigated through to get where I am now. And so if you guys are new and you are just watching and just trying to figure out what this is about, you want to get involved, if you know, I got into futures trading because I wanted to find a way to make extra income apart from my day job. And obviously I don't want to go and get a second job because I have two little ones, right? So I got to be here at some point. And futures, you can trade at nighttime. So it's outside of my work hours, so I can actually trade it, which I trade it during my work hours too now. But at the time, that's what got me into futures trading. And if that intrigues any of you guys that are new, that are watching, that want to know, then join the Discord. And I can't make you a profitable trader, but I can teach you what I've learned so far. I can teach you how to get started, you know, explain to you like how prop firms work and stuff. Every Saturday we hold a live in the Discord, midnight. So it's after all your, you know, your spouse, your kids, everybody goes to bed. And so your guys are more than welcome to join anytime. It's open mic. So if you have any questions, you know, you can jump in there, you can ask, and I will help anybody I can. Alrighty. And oh wow, you guys are lighting it up. Just My Styles sent 5 gifted members. We got some more Doji members in the house. Thank you so much, Just My Styles. I appreciate all the support. And I appreciate you guys doing a lot that you do. Team Massive, Charles in Charge, Trick Biscuits, Sizz, and Rocky Trades Futures. Welcome to the Doji membership club. You guys are now Doji members, which means you get to hold. I'm sorry, you guys lost that. That's my fault. I took the wrong trade on the wrong account. I took the wrong. I'm not even gonna mark that. That one don't even count. We're not even gonna mark that one. But yeah, I hold polls and stuff sometimes that are membership only, and also working on some other polls for you guys as well. We're gonna go ahead and do the giveaway. If you guys want to participate, jump in the Charles Jolly. This is your favorite part. Jump into the Discord. Oh, I'm sorry, guys. We're there on the shorts live. Blonde Squirrel said back to POC. Yep, you were right. Straight back to POC. Hey, buddy. First time here. What time you usually stream? Gary, I start stream at 9:30 p.m. Eastern time, and I normally stream until about midnight. So if you guys want to join, also here, join this. Gary and Blind Squirrel, you guys are just watching the shorts. I actually have a horizontal live going right now that has a lot more people over there chatting, and it's full screen as well, so it'll be a lot easier for you guys to see. That's awesome though. Now that we got quite a bit of members, you guys that are members, let me know what you want to see. If there's something that you want as a member, right? I can do some different things for you guys. I can have like a members only channel in here in the Discord if you guys want that. Which I mean, I don't have anything paid, right? Like I don't want to put anything behind a paywall, because that's not who I am, right? I will help anybody. Whatever I know, I'll tell you, right? Like I'll help you. But if you guys want like your own chat or something, or if you you know, want to be able to have exclusive access to have like members only polls, or you know, some type of privilege for being a member that doesn't put like knowledge behind a paywall, let me know inside this right here. Come down to where it shows ideas and feedback and just drop it in here, and I will and I'll see what I can do to make that happen for you guys. We will be having some merch here soon. We're gonna have a Candle Blocker 58 shirt. We're gonna have Red Candle Nation. We're gonna, with the logo. We're gonna have what's the one we came up with the other day? I think it was Lunchable. Oh, there was a good saying we're gonna put on a shirt and I forgot. Milkshake money. We could do one of those. We could do a couple of them. There was a good idea we had, not last night but the night before on stream, that we was gonna put. Yeah, I'm gonna do a hat too. I'm gonna have the white hat with the red logo. We're gonna go all in on it. How to enter the giveaway. So all you have to do is jump into the Thrill Chaser. Let's go, boy. I'm so sorry. You are not blind at all. I swear you got like 15, 20, 20 vision. You have, I don't know what the numbers are. You got really good vision. AI bots can't help you worth a crap. You're gonna help the AI bot eye doctor how to see. You know what I mean? I appreciate you, Thrill Chasers, and I appreciate you talking crap with me earlier. It makes the live entertaining, right? I don't really get mad at people unless they're actually being real nasty towards somebody or actually harassing somebody. Red Candles, help me with medical rash I had. Thanks a lot, Pine Tree. Yeah, I helped Pine Tree with the medical rash. I see what you did there. That's cute. Pine Tree is cute as hell, ain't he? Oh boy. Thank you so much, Thrill Chaser. I do appreciate you a lot. It means a lot. The prop firm affiliations, just to let you know why it means a lot to me. The prop firm affiliation basically all goes back into giveaways for you guys. That way us as an Asian stream can have giveaways every night, like these New York streams. And so I don't really take anything out of that, and if I do, it's not very much. The YouTube side that gains money, that's what I actually get for a streamer. So that's the portion that I take. So it means a lot to me. I appreciate it. Cap said 30-30. Yeah, I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. How to enter the giveaway? Go to the Discord here. It's on the link tree. Just click on the Discord button, and then all you guys have to do is if you've never done Rumblebot, I'll show you. Basically, it comes up, you just click on a button, you're entered in. That's all you got to do, and you wait. It runs through. It like basically knocks each other out of the match, and the last one standing gets the giveaway. Do you guys want to do Apex of any size? I mean, you can get a 300,000K account, you get 150, you can get 50, or do you want to do an Aqua Futures 50K account? I'll hold it, or actually, you know what? I won't do it. I'll let the winner, like Ryan said the other night, it was a great idea, Ryan, thank you. I'll let the winner choose which account they want to have. So instead of just picking one, I'll let the winner pick. Man, it makes me mad I can't remember the saying now. The saying that we were going to put on the shirt. Oh, you know what? All the lives are recorded. I'm going to have to go back to last week's live and find what we were going to put on that shirt. What does exclamation point revive do? Fate, when you get knocked out, when you get unalived on there, then basically if you spam it. So here, I'll show you guys real quick. So if you come down to, I made this channel right here. So see this channel underneath general that shows Rumblebot commands. You click on that. So what you guys want to do is you want to come in daily, okay, and you want to hit /daily, right, and just hit enter. That's all you gotta do. And see what it does is it'll say you received your daily 1,000 gold. So every day you can collect 1,000 gold. Your gold stacks up, right? So if you win, you get gold. If you do your daily login, you get gold. And then what happens is it uses that gold. You can use it to like buy stuff right? Like you can come in and buy things before the match. But when you're in the match, you can do things like exclamation point dagger or exclamation point revive. So if you get knocked out and you do exclamation point revive, then it gives a chance to basically revive you. So it doesn't necessarily mean you're out of the match. It gives you a chance to come back into the match before it's over. So that's kind of what it does. I think it was tell your mom and them about Red Candle Nation. No, but that's a good one. No, it was something else. It was something to do with like losing or winning or oh man, what was it? I don't have that on my Discord. Oh, okay. So Dorsey, if you don't see that channel, then what you need to do is you need to come here. I'll show you. If you don't have it on your channel, then you need to come up here to the top where it says Red Candle Nation, the little arrow. If you're on your phone, then just click and hold this. And you need to come down to where it says show all channels and then make sure that that's checked. For any of you guys that don't have that checked, you may not see all the channels. You have to be in the Discord, Tory Trades. Why aren't you, Tory Trades? Why aren't you in the Discord, brother? You of all people need to be in there. You're the funniest one out here in the chat, man. You got to get in the Discord. We crack jokes all the time. You should have seen. You should have seen the other day. Sophie put on a trade, and I was like, and I was trying to. I knew he was talking about how. What was it? Here, I'll show you. It cracked me up. Hold on, I'll show you. I'll show you. You got to get in there, Tory Trey's husband. Where was he at on the Discord? Oh, right here was Sophie. Sophie posted his trade and he said, enter to exit with 1K extra win or a banger. Lose that wipes all my money, right? So he was like, man, if this does it, it's going to lose all my money, right? And I said, you got this, like trying to pump him up. And he said, I don't think it would work out. And I said, me either, but I did want to be a dead. I knew the trade wasn't going to work. But anyways, we were busting jokes all the time in here. And you got Yoda Trades and Lunchable right here talking about, they both said right ... LOL at the same time. She said Jinx. He said I haven't traded today without knowing this. And Lunchable said Matrix. I said same amount of dots and everything. Look at you guys twinning. And it just tripped. It was just funny. You guys gotta jump in there if you're not in there already. We get some laughs throughout the day. But anyways, all right. So let's get back in there. Under general, I still don't see Rumblebot. Okay, so did you make sure that all channels right here where it says show all channels, did you make sure that was clicked? And then if it's clicked, all you have to do is come right here. What is your in Discord name, Dorsey? Let me see if I can find you. You might not have all the roles. What is your in Discord name? Okay, so you do have it checked. All right, so next step for Red Candle's Tech Services. What's your Discord name? My name is Joom. Not you, Joom. My name's Jeff. Not you, Jeff. Do not use code Joom. It's code red. I'm just kidding, Joom. I'll send you a message. Okay. Send me a message, brother. Hurry up, though. Let's not hold up the whole stream. You know what I mean? I want to help you, but I also don't want to make people wait forever. Or you could just type in general. Just type in general. Okay. And you don't see that, guys, stop Stop putting the bot commands in here. Put it in the thread. So do you see this button right here, Dorsey, that says threads? When you're in general, you might see a button that says threads. You might have to click on that and then click on threads. If you're on mobile or something, it depends on what like device you're on, but you may have to do that. And here, I'll ping you in it just so that way. I forgot your name already. And you don't have to do that, really. You could just, you can still participate in the giveaway without doing that. I was just showing you guys if you wanted to do, like, buy stuff from the backpack and all that stuff, you could do it here. But yeah. Okay, so let's go ahead and get it going. Hopefully you got in there. Tori Trades husband. All you guys on the short side, if you want to get in there. Here, I'll drop the Discord for you guys. And we'll go ahead and get it going. Looks like ugly inverse head and shoulders on gold. It might rip. Yeah, it's probably going to, because it's been sitting at that bottom, at that low for a while. How do I get in the Rumble bot? So I'm getting ready to put it. I'm gonna put it right here in general chat. All right, guys, stop using the commands in here. Go to here, go to the thread and use the command so it doesn't junk up the general. Okay. Watch me lose first round, Sophie. Watch me lose first round. I do it every single time. We do it every single time. Watch. They always take me out first round. All right, so let me see here. All right, so we are going to go ahead and let's get ready to rumble. All right, so what you guys got to do is right here, look. All you have to do is click that. Stop chatting for a second, guys. Let everybody get into the giveaway. All you gotta do is just click on this little button right here. It'll turn blue. Okay, that's all you have to do, and then you're in the giveaway. That's all you gotta do. It's really that easy. You just click on that one time. It's that easy. Now, let's get ready to rumble, baby. Let's get ready to rumble.
Red candles burning, the charts don't
Adam Dads, you got to use exclamation point, not slash.
stack, slipping like a tear in the sky. Futures trader with the coffee in hand. Discord buzzing.
Let's go, Heartage.
Understand.
Heart. I'm just gonna call you Heart.
Lows, it's a
Ryan wants some daggers for real.
code red when the trends collide. Red candles nation. We're all in the game, chasing the thrill, never trading the same. Aqua futures calling, hear the code ignite. Use code red, light up the night.
Yup.
Double tap the screen, like and subscribe. The market's a dance, feel the
You got that right, Thrill Chaser.
leverage the chaos. We're here.
If I win one, I'm gonna give the giveaway to one of my members.
It's made today. Highs and lows, it's a wild, wild ride. Code red when the trends collide. Red candles nation, we're all in the game. Chasing the thrill, never trading the same. Aqua futures
Market Vision made the song, Leo. Whose name is Little Monkey Butt? Who named himself Little Monkey Butt? Y'all are wild. I don't think I've gotten knocked out yet. I think this is the furthest I've made it. This is my favorite song. Yeah, this has become like the anthem for us. I'm gonna have to play let's play yours is really good too, I like.
Started with a spark, just a pixel on the screen. Dream so loud.
No. Bring it back. There we go. Yours is good too, Sophie.
Started with a spark, just a pixel on the screen. Dream so loud.
Who won?
The world was so mean. Zero
Ryan Mack. Look at you, Ryan. You made it. You made it, brother. You did it. You put in the work. You got them daggers. You made it.
shots fall down. He learned to swim, he never drowned. Red candles, he lights the flame. Built it all, they know his name. From YouTube
Let's go, baby.
scored fame.
Congratulations, Rack Mac. Decatur. Ryan. I said Rack Mac. I'm sorry, Ryan. Ryan Mac Decatur. He's got the gap Decatur. He's got the Mac Decatur. He's got the lap Decatur if you're out of shape and you need to run around a little bit. He's got them all. Hit them up. He's got the nap Decatur if you're a little tired. He's got the Jap Decatur if you're trying to learn a different language. He's got the Dap Decatur if you're trying to be cool and get some daps in. He's got the Map Decatur if you're trying to find your way through the futures market. He's got the Tap Decatur if you're trying to trade gold and you can't get that tap like we had earlier. He's got that. He's got them all. Just hit them up. Okay. I really love the beat to your song, Sophie. Like I like that like EDM feel. Ooh, ooh, ooh. He said this game tell the truth, lost the mini game of life. Yo, that's too funny. All right, let's get the music over. All right, let's get this going. Hookah to all members. Hey, I got Piotr. Piotr is he's just right over the Buckman for me. He said, "Whoa, whoa!" So stop making fun of the map Decatur. I need the map Decatur so I can find my way through the futures market. Do you got the map Decatur, Ryan? Or the tap Decatur so when I trade gold I get it tapped? Or the lap Decatur when I'm feeling a little out of shape? All right, we're not gonna go down that again. He said, "Geez." I'm just kidding. We do need to give away. So, oh yeah, that reminds me. Ryan has the Mac Decatur, which is an indicator that is used on Ryan's TradingView and Tradeovate, right? If you guys want to enter a giveaway on there, he has given us a giveaway. It's 30 days free trial on it. It does work pretty good. It has we have a live session recorded. All you have to do is just go to my YouTube, and then under if you go to the albums underneath indicator, you'll see that stream. That stream is just Ryan going over it. Also, Ryan's in the Discord. If you guys need any help with it, you can always jump and support, and he'll help answer questions. Or he has a Discord as well that he can bring you over. He does stuff all the time in. So if you guys want to enter that giveaway for the Magdicator, which gives you an indicator that basically has a range of moving averages with, I believe, VWAP, and it also has pivots, and it has the gap indicator, which basically shows you where like milligaps are left that, you know, price likes to come back to a lot. It makes it very visual and easy. So if you guys want to try that out, it is a great indicator. There's been quite a few people in the Discord that is using it, and they're liking it. Gotten good reviews back on it so far. So if you guys want to enter that giveaway, I will hold another giveaway now. So enter this one if you want to use the Magdicator for 30 days free trial. It's basically TradingView and Trade of 8. So if you guys are on TradingView or Trade of 8, then that's the ones that you guys are going to want to jump in the giveaway. I have seen it live in action, and it does work really well. And if you guys end up liking it, then you just keep it. And then especially for you guys that are using TradingView, you're already having to pay. If you want like 4 indicators like it has built in, you're already having to pay what is it, like $20 or whatever for the premium. Well, all of those indicators are built into one indicator, so you could drop that subscription basically, and now you can it makes up. So the indicator pays for itself alone as well. Yeah, and that would be in addition to the 8 days free as well. So not only we get the 30 days, you'll actually get 8 days on top of it. So that's 38 days free of using the Magdicator. That's the giveaway. Gives you a chance to use it for a little while. He'll help you with anybody that needs help with it, and then you'll realize if you like it or don't like it. And if you do, well, then you continue to use it. And if you don't, well, then at least you got to try it out. So definitely hit it, and I'm going to join it too, just because I want to join it. Alrighty, so let's see. Did I miss any? Did I miss any of your guys's? You said daggers. Listen, are you copy and pasting this? Is that what's going on here? How are you doing that so fast? Yeah, give me a dagger. Give me a dagger. Bum, 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 bum. All the giveaways. Face said, congratulations. Do you know once I've been knocked out? How do you know once you've been knocked out? So I'll show you right here, Faye, watch. As this one's playing out, I'll show you. Please this time. Mayor Trader said. So watch it, and you might not be able to see it on my screen, but let's see if I can show you. So they do kind of go by like every 15 seconds. So look, it'll say right. See how it has the line through Danny's name? That means he's been knocked out. See how Ryan doesn't have a line through it? That means he's not. And you'll get it if you read it too, right? So like Danny punched Pepe in the face during a random event, and then they punched Pepe again and again, and G's somehow stopped that psychopath, right? So he got knocked out. So you can see the people that have the lines to their name. So Mochi Bear got knocked out. Adam got knocked out. Hawk got knocked out. First day of Mortician went very well. I don't know which one this one is. This is a weird one. I've never seen this one. See, I got knocked out. Lost their daily stake and immediately deleted their Discord account. So it has different role plays. The Rumblebot Fae has different role plays. They have like old knights, you know, back in the Knights Age where somebody got piked or whatever. And then they have like a One Piece. If you ever watch One Piece, there's like a whole bunch of different eras or styles, and then it just kind of does like a role play game through it. Okay, so congratulations to Flocky. Ryan, do you want to all right, I'll do it. Jay, by me red. Yeah. Thanks, Jay. I appreciate you. Maki, I'm going to message you, and I'm going to send over the link that you'll use to set up the indicator. If you need any help Flocky getting it set up, you can just let us know. Also, if you want, you can come right here under tool discounts and you can watch this video that Ryan has posted, and it shows you step by step how to set it up. Okay, but if you need any help further than that, then just let us know. You can create a support ticket right here under support, or you can just ping me or Ryan directly into the stream there, or the Discord. And congratulations. Anyways, guys, we hit some bangers tonight. We did mess up the chat account a little bit, but on a good note, we got the streamer account to 52,177, right? So 3 more wins on that one, then we basically have a funded, which once again, this account is still going to be utilized. It's the same as the chat. If we make money off of it, we get, instead of getting money, we get the giveaways, right? So whatever that amount that equivalates into money, we'll get as giveaways. We'll give it to you guys. So we'll continue that next week. Don't forget this Saturday live event in the Discord. Saturday night, and it's gonna be midnight Eastern time, so depending on where you live, right? New York time, midnight. Join in there. It's gonna be Q&A. If you have any questions on prop firms, if you have any questions on trading styles, if you want to just watch me chart and give my bias for the next week, and other people's are going to give their bias too as well, or any questions stream Discord related, that's your chance to jump in there and talk with everybody. And it's kind of like a community event too, so it's just kind of somewhere, you know, for all of us to jump in and hang out with each other and have fun for a little bit. So if you guys want to be in there, make sure you join that. And then also, while you're trading tomorrow, since Fridays are infamous for everybody blowing up, including myself, don't forget, if you come to our prop firms here, we do have discounts. So with Hypertix, you just have to use code RED. With Funded Next, you have to use this link. I'm working on getting a code, but for now you have to use this link. My Funded Futures, you can use code RED, or you can use this link. Trade Day, code RED. Apex, code RED or link. Aqua Futures, code RED or link. Top One, and Bull and Ox. So if you guys want to get any accounts through them, if you have any questions about them before you get the account, you're more than welcome to ping me and ask me, and I'll be able to help you in any way before you do. And that supports the channel. It gives us more giveaways for you guys. That's how we're able to continue to have giveaways every night, because you guys are smashing code RED, and it's basically self-funding, right? It's not me having to buy one every night, because I couldn't do that. I'd like to, but I just couldn't do it. So anyways, guys, I hope all of you have a great night. I will catch up with all of y'all Saturday, and I hope you have a good trading day tomorrow. Don't forget to post your trades in general tomorrow. I'll be in there all day. So I hope you guys have a good rest of your night, and thank you all for your support. Peace.